Did some little sketch last night. I watched Newsies, the musical, yesterday night. I think I was spacing out a little bit in the middle, and then I got some new ideas. This one is a bit of trying out with negative space, because I saw on stage the two main characters kissing, but then for me the shadow was a bit more interesting. This one it's a bit relating to the plot, but also myself, which is I moved from Netherlands to here. Sometimes I miss the other place and nature space while I'm in a big city, but then while I'm in somewhere a bit more suburb, I think about the city a lot. Last time I made a mistake of eating outside, but I kind of wasted time in the restaurant instead of going where I suppose want to go, like galleries and stuff. So I'm just gonna make some simple breakfast and then we can go out. Got flat white and this little orange pastry. Ding. Chừng làm một lấy cổ. Làm. Hey, while I'm at home, just want to show you what I got from King's Cross Art Market and also the National Gallery. We got a couple things. They're super cute. Actually, I didn't expect to buy anything. I just wanted to browse around and see if I get any inspiration for making products and also setting up the booth. But then I ended up getting a couple of things. The first one I got is these earrings. It's like ceramics. I just like the color, like pink and blue. This combination is just my color. I really like the marks on it. It's like wearing a painting on your ears. I bought a much bigger one here. I'm gonna buy a frame and frame it at home. Because Levi and I just love sake and Japanese wine. And this artist, James Barker, he does like a lot of like prints for animals, cat, dinosaurs, sea animals. I love all of them, but this one is quite unusual. Like not many people does Japanese theme objects, and I find it really interesting because I just usually love Japanese packaging, especially with wine, like the calligraphy and stuff like that. So we were like browsing around, and then we ended up choosing this one also because it has a color background. That's all I got from the art market. The next day we went to National Gallery. I wasn't able to do a lot of footage because it's really crowded and busy. I really didn't expect to see so many big names in there. It really was a pleasant surprise. I was really stunned by the water lilies. For me, seeing the art in real life makes such a difference, and that painting would serve like a special place in my heart. When I went to see the water lilies by Monet, is just stunning. When you go into the room, it's like big and center, and that's the first thing you see in the room. And also the color is just so vibrant. Like I really didn't expect to see his work, and also Van Gogh's, Cézanne, Seurat's in the National Gallery. Like it's so crazy, like so many masterpieces in the same room, and it's just 1 hour away from where I live. So I really appreciate that. I really appreciate I'm able to see them in real life, and also it's so close for me. I can't believe I just went there, although I've been here for a year. Like what?